Hey there, military buffs. Today I'm diving into the future of military aviation. The skies are about to get a whole lot more interesting, so strap in and let's take off. First up, let's talk about stealth. Stealth technology has been a game changer, and it's only getting better. Imagine aircraft that are virtually invisible to radar. The future holds advanced materials, adaptive camouflage, and electronic countermeasures that will make today's stealth fighters look like relics. Think about it, planes slipping through enemy defenses like ghosts. Now, on to unmanned systems. Drones are already a huge part of modern warfare, but the next-gen UAVs will blow your mind. We're talking about drones that can operate in swarms, communicate with each other, and make real-time decisions without human intervention. Picture a sky filled with intelligent, autonomous machines working together to outmaneuver the enemy. It's like something out of a sci-fi movie, but it's becoming very real. Let's not forget hypersonic technology. The race is on to develop aircraft that can travel at 5 times the speed of sound or more. These birds will have the capability to strike targets anywhere in the world in under an hour. Imagine the strategic advantage of such speed, rapid response, quick strike capabilities, and the element of surprise. It's a game changer for military aviation. And then there's artificial intelligence. AI is set to revolutionize how we fly and fight. Advanced AI systems will assist pilots in making split-second decisions, optimize flight paths, and even take over in combat scenarios. It's like having a co-pilot who's always one step ahead. This will enhance the effectiveness and survivability of our aircraft. Lastly, let's touch on energy weapons. Lasers and directed energy weapons are not just the stuff of science fiction anymore. These systems are being developed to take out incoming missiles, drones, and even enemy aircraft with pinpoint accuracy. The idea of a fighter jet armed with laser cannons is no longer just a dream, it's on the horizon. So, what does all this mean for the future of military aviation? It means faster, smarter, and more survivable aircraft. It means a revolution in how air superiority is achieved and maintained. The next decade is set to redefine aerial combat. Thanks for tuning in. If you're excited about the future of military aviation, smash that like button and subscribe for more deep dives. Till next time, keep your eyes on the skies.